In front of me is Realme C51, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords autofill. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down right away to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and this little switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, the switcher turned gray. That means that Autofill is now disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!